You pee when you cough, laugh, sneeze, or exercise? If you said yes, I have the procedure for you. I'm reposting some of this video because TikTok put like a censor ban on it. So I'm taking out any content that I think is sensitive so that you get the idea of what bulkamid is, but you don't see the needle actually going into the tissue. Let me show you. It's called bulkamid. This gel-like substance is injected into the urethra. I use this cutie little camera to visualize the urethra and the bladder. But the gist is, I take that gel and I inject it into the opening of the urethra so that when you cough, laugh, or sneeze, there's a nice barrier there. Wide open before and then occluded just after. Easy, effective, and can last 7 years.